Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Wrike proofs and approvals for client reviews. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the project where your proofs and approvals are located. Locate the proof you want to update for client review. Click on the proof to open it. In the upper right corner, you will see the Update Proof button. Click on the Update Proof button. Upload the new version of the document or file you wish to share. Once the upload is complete, review any changes. You can add comments or notes to highlight specific updates. After reviewing, click on Submit for review. Select the clients or stakeholders you want to notify. Make sure to adjust the notification settings as necessary. If you wish, set a deadline for the approval process. Click on Send for review to finalize the updates. Your clients will now receive an email notification about the updated proof. They can access the proof directly from the email link. Encourage clients to review the changes and provide feedback. Monitor the status of the approval in your Wrike dashboard. You'll receive updates as clients approve or request further changes. Once all approvals are received, you can proceed with the project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.